This is the Face Sail 4-foot LED light, and I'm super excited because it's going to replace our fluorescent lighting in the garage. And this is what you get. So you get this, and this cover also hides all the wiring, and then you also get this clear cover as well. And this is going to be so awesome, and it's also energy saving as well. So this is going to be great for office settings or garage settings, and the nice thing is it also has these holes here on the side, so you can attach several all at once. You can just keep attaching them as you go. We just need it for one in our garage, and I'm super excited because it also saves money on your electric bill too. And these really last so long, so I'm really excited about that. This is going to have 7,200 lumens of light, and the lighting color on this is 4,000 neutral light. This is also going to be an equivalent of 160 watt light bulbs. And this is going to be very easy to install. All you have to do is replace your fluorescent lighting, and then you'll never have to replace ballast again. And you can use this in a variety of places, from your kitchen, your office, your garage, a shop, so many different areas to use it for. So this is a close-up of what it looks like. And acrylic prismatic lens wraps around the fixture to maximize light output and distribution. And the unique design style will make your space look more elegant as well. And you can even knock out the ends and assemble this in a line too. Okay, so now let's get ready to assemble this. The first thing you're going to do is screw the 4 holes into the drill holes provided. Then you're going to attach the 3 wires to the corresponding areas of your main wire power source. Then you're going to be putting that strip to hide all your wires, and just make sure you lock it into place. And then all you need to do is put the light cover on and then turn on the electricity, and voila, looks good. You did an excellent job.
Thank you.
And it's so super bright. Well done. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.